Okay, this casino, this is the Venetian casino, so we're gonna go inside and walk around a little bit, and there's a timestamp in the left corner so you can see exactly what it looks like. This is also a little bit of images of the Cotai strip as well. That's the right across the street is the Londoner. They're doing lots of construction over here. They're building a big Ben over there. So anyways, it's gonna be our focus right over there, Venetian. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here's the Venetian right there. And we're gonna walk into the Venetian a little bit, show you around. Hopefully the music isn't too loud. And you can see there's kind of nice ceilings everywhere, right? Oh, the ceiling looks like it has a little bit of moisture or mold or dirt or something. You got these too, gondolas. I don't know if I'll walk too much into the Venetian today, but I'll give you a little bit of a taste of it anyways. Bathroom corridors. Let's kind of see here. Yeah, at least you kind of get this little taste of some of the casinos here. Let's head on up. We'll head on over. Kind of quiet. It is a weekday, and it is maybe 7:30. That's the other thing about the casino shopping malls in Macau. They're kind of quiet on the at nighttime. Like, the people are used to the United States and things are 24/7, and Vegas is 24/7. It's not like that here. These shops all close around, I think, like 9 o'clock p.m. and sometimes 10 p.m. on the weekends. And right now it's like feels kind of closed up already. I think it's 7:30 p.m. but you'll see at the bottom of the screen in the left corner. I'll put on the exact time later when I look at it and upload it. So anyways, this little taste of Venetian. I do have lots of other Venetian videos, so you can get a better view with some of those, which I'll attach at the end. Sometimes I walk more into the food court, and I think today I might keep it kind of short, but at least you kind of got a taste for it and you can see what you think about it. So we're gonna end it right there. Kind of short, but at least you got some little bit of taste of Venetian anyways.